Hi, my name is Hannah Strain and I am an early childhood education major at Louisiana State University. I recently observed a 9-year-old male named Luke. I observed him inside of his 4th grade classroom at a primary school. Physical, cognitive, and social development were the observed domains. Regarding Luke's physical development, he is typically developing for his age. Through questioning, it was discovered that Luke is very actively involved in football and baseball outside of school. Gross motor skills were not observed due to recess being confined to the concrete. Fine motor development was noted inside of the classroom as Luke used a pencil to answer math problems on paper and a dry erase marker to write on a board. His writing was legible and he was able to write during the entire instructional period. Regarding Luke's cognitive development, he is on track. He was able to correctly answer math and science questions out loud in front of his peers. He spoke very clearly and audibly using a wide vocabulary. He used strategies while doing multiplication in order to get the problems done quickly before the timer went off. He used a sheet like this, and it was a math fact sheet, and it was multiples of 9, and he was able to do all of the zeros first, and then the ones, and then the twos. Luke was brought back to the back table along with a few other peers to get extra help with a math study guide. However, he was able to answer each question on his own and correctly. Regarding Luke's social development, there are no concerns. He got along with everyone that he interacted with. Luke cooperated during group time with his peers inside of his classroom. At recess, he proceeded to play with a group of boys as soon as he went outside. At this age, gender becomes a big deal, and this was evident when Luke chose to spend his recess with other boys rather than including the girls. Overall, Luke is a typically developing 9-year-old male in the 4th grade. Physically, he has plenty of opportunities in his life outside of school for developing physically, which is good since he is usually in a desk during the day. Cognitively, Luke needed extra help at school during math time, but whenever he was asked a question, he was able to answer precisely and correctly. Socially, Luke is doing very well because he cooperates with his peers and is able to collaborate during class and outside of class at recess. Developmentally, Luke is a happy, growing boy who is continuing to learn on a daily basis.